Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x800f0845. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key, and once the service is started, now you can run the last command. Once done, now restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, then go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, click on resume updates and let the update complete and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click on background intelligent, restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once done, now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. And let the process complete. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, the link is provided in the video description. Over here, write down the name of the update which is giving you the error message. For example, whichever update is not installing, you can write down the name of that update over here. This is just an example, and then click on search. On this page, let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings. Go to system and then go to about option. Check your system type. So for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And once the download, now on this page, you have to click on that update, the update which you are unable to install, which is giving you the error message. So for example, right now it's KB5083769, whichever is your update, click on your update over here and then let the update complete. Once the update is complete, once the download is complete, click on this file. Follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working, then close all the third-party application. Make sure only the Windows update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program like if you have Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard. You can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Also, if you have any third-party antivirus program like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you install the update, you can disable it. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and go to Advanced option. Scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file. So you have to run this exe file. Once you run this exe file, click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, this process will take some time. And then click on Finish. Now let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, click on Next, click on Accept. Now over here you can see Ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.